Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today I'm going to show you how to install a RAID controller into a Dell Poweredge T430. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. Please check out the quick spec link in the description below to learn more about PERC controllers for the Dell T430. First, ensure the server is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side. Next, you will have to remove the cooling shroud. You will install the controller into a slot labeled PCIe Gen 3 X8. Remove the slot cover with the blue lever. Install the PERC controller by firmly inserting it into the slot. Stamp down the blue lever when inserted. Next, install the cable assembly by plugging in each respective plug into the corresponding slot, A to A and B to B. Now, wind the cable through the side and back to the PERC controller. Make sure to use the cable retention clasps as well. Plug the interfaces into the corresponding slot. The installation is now complete. Once everything is in place, you can replace the cooling shroud and the side panel. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and be sure to visit tekboost.com to take advantage of our great deals on all your IT hardware needs.